Okay, with a problem such as this one, the first thing that you would want to do is to factor any of the polynomials that could be factored. So the x squared minus 25 factors using the difference of squares to be x plus 5 times x minus 5. And then you would want to multiply the top and the bottom by the least common denominator of your small fractions. So looking at my fractions, I have x plus 5, x minus 5 in this top fraction up here. And then in my denominator here, I have a small denominator of x minus 5. Therefore, my least common denominator is x plus 5 times x minus 5. So I need to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 5 times x minus 5 using our distributive property and our denominator down there. So here in the numerator, the x plus 5 would cancel with the x plus 5 there, and the x minus 5 would cancel with the x minus 5, so I'm left with x minus 4. In my denominator, I have to use the distributive property. So first, I'm going to multiply 1 times that x plus 5, x minus 5, which gives us x plus 5 times x minus 5. And then I'm going to multiply the 1 over x minus 5 times x plus 5, x minus 5. And you can see here that the x minus 5s will cancel when I multiply that fraction by the least common denominator. So I'm left with 1 times x plus 5, which is simply x plus 5. All right, so now multiply in the bottom, our denominator. So you get x squared minus 25 plus x plus 5. Like terms in our denominator. So you get x squared plus x minus 20. Factor the denominator. So we have x minus 4 over factors of negative 20 that add up to be positive 1, positive 5, and negative 4. And then as you can see, since I have a factor of x minus 4 in our denominator and I have an x minus 4 in the numerator, those would cancel out. So I would end up with 1 over, because I don't have anything else in our numerator. So I would end up with 1 over x plus 5. All right, so to clear those small denominators out, you want to multiply by the least common denominator of your small denominators. In this case, it was x plus 5, x minus 5, and you multiply the top and the bottom by that least common denominator. Okay, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you.